welcome to the channel, man. This is the first time I've done a video like this, so honestly I'm just gonna roll straight into it. Let me make this smaller. This is the first time I'm actually done a market breakdowns video. Let me just put it there for now. Okay, cool. So basically today I just thought I needed to start and like make a breakdown video. I'm just shifting the channel basically to like a trading channel, just for personal reasons, and I feel like trading is something I've been studying for a while, something I'm gonna take on, and I'm gonna put it into YouTube, and hopefully I can, show off what I know into YouTube, put it out there and showcase what I know. I'm gonna keep it consistent so I can grow the channel, but we'll see how it goes. We're just gonna go with this trade here, which, hold on, let me make that's better. Cool. So this is my first breakdown. I'm just gonna get straight into it. I made 7K on this one, demo, obviously. I'm not gonna lie, I made this on a demo, but it's cool. Because what's the difference? There's not really a difference. This could be made on a funded. But anyways, I'm gonna break into this trade here. So as always, on GU, any pair, I'm into the daily time frame. As we can see, we've got this structural low that led to this structural high that came into this area here. We could say this is 50%. If we put it from this high over here, there's a premium that got hit here. This lies in which looks like to be a daily fair value gap, which I marked here, which had major liquidity to get filled in. We zoom in, as we can see, we had the change here. This is a high, which led to a low. We broke it here, we came back, broke it again, came into this premium level. I'm always using fib, by the way, always. Came into a premium, pushed all the way up. Cool. Anyways, then price broke this structure right here. Where is it? Price broke this structure here, so we could tell, we're not really gonna go any lower soon, which from my perspective looks like we're making a low, which head to a high, which broke this low, which broke this high, coming into this premium, which we can literally see it did. Okay, this low to this high, it came into, oh sorry, I did that wrong way around. Yep, this low to this high, it came into a premium and it pushed up, and I can see this pushing up all the way to this color. I need trading view premium. I'm seeing this push all the way up to this high. If it induces it, we're looking to push down. But even this, which looks like a daily, this daily supply over here, we'll see though, we'll see the price does. Anyways, that's what my outlook is, because as we can see, we're bullish, right? So cool, we've come here, we've changed character. Cool, we've come down 15-minute. Now the 15-minute is where I take my medium inducements as an approval, okay? I accept my medium inducements on the 15-minute. A medium inducement is basically a low or a high from a previous day which got taken. Cool, we know that now. Okay, what do we have here? We have 8 o'clock Wednesday, which is a structural low from Wednesday. Okay, and then we have this. Now if we zoom in, This didn't get taken on Thursday at 2 a.m. Asia did not take this low, okay? Which means there's double liquidity. There's actually 2 points of liquidity here. There's this liquidity and there's this liquidity. It's just more money, honestly. Liquidity is literally a pool of money. So that's just more money to be taken, which will give price the power to push up. Cool. Now, medium inducement has to happen in the kill zone. So what happened there? Let's go to the 5 minute. Let me zoom out. Let's go on to the 5 minute. Let's take this horizontal line out. We'll put it at 8 a.m. Cool. As you can see, people would have entered from, I don't know, maybe this leg up would have entered on this order block here. Put their stop loss here. But guess what? This happened before 8 a.m. So they would have got taken out over here, which price did. So what did we do? We waited until 8 a.m. so we can't enter. We're not waiting. We're waiting for something to happen. And then after 8 a.m., the medium inducement happened. 8:15, it took place. No, 8:20, the medium inducement took place. It took out Asia low, and it took out this previous daily low. What does that mean? That means we're in for a reversal. Whenever there's a medium inducement, it means we're into a reversal. If there's no medium inducement, continuation. Cool. Now we're heading for a reversal. Now I honestly couldn't care less about this Asia low because we've taken this low here. Now that that's happened, we're looking at a reversal to possibly take out these points of liquidity here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's even this place. Look where price went. Cool. Now, where did I enter from? I hopped on the 1 minute, which I like to take my entries from. Let's go over here. As you can see, price pushed up, but we always wait. We always wait until 8 a.m. Kill zone. Medium inducement happened, and you can honestly, sometimes you can enter from a medium inducement, but that's not what I do. Sometimes you can, depending on market conditions and what's happening. Cool. What do we have here? We have this momentum. Look at this. So we have basically, let me get the highlighter tool. Whenever I see a push like this, we have these big legs up. It's showing who's in control. You can see who's in control. Buyers are in control. These are like big legs. So whenever I see these big legs, it's showing, okay, we've got momentum. Someone is clearly in control. These big candles, these are 1 minute candles, and they're pushing up like this. Then we have these small candles retracing. When you have small candles retracing, it simply means we're just coming back into an area. So remove all of this, all of this, all of this, all of this. Cool. Low, high, and then we've come into this area. As always, we take the fib from the low to the high. This is perfectly in the premium, past 50%. What do we have? We have this in the 60 to 80%. We have this order block, which I marked out over here. We have this order block, price tapped in, and you could genuinely put your stop loss. You could even put your stop loss like under this order block. And look, you've got a 1 to 11, that's 11K made. But I put it here. And honestly, you can put it here, put an alert. You could put an alert if you get taken out. See if you can enter from this imbalance over here, because there's literally one right here. And then you could enter from there, but I just thought I'd put it down here. So put it here, price taps in, and then push off. And where do we target? We could have targeted Asia high, but this is a medium inducement. Not only is it a medium inducement, we took out this low over here, this Asia low. And what do we know about Asia? Asia is literally a range of liquidity. It's literally a range of liquidity. So if a low is taken, the high is likely to get taken as well because it's all liquidity. Market moves off liquidity. Okay, it's that simple. Took out these lows, so I was like, cool. Whenever price takes major areas of liquidity, it will push with power. As you can see, we go to the 15-minute. Let's find it. Where the hell is it? Okay, cool. So pushes with power, bro. Look at this. We have push, retracement, push, TP hit. It's that simple. And at this point, okay, what the hell? Okay, also, I forgot to take 50% at 1 to 3, which I always do. Just a little tip, if you take 50% at 1 to 3 on all your trades, it gives that comfortability, it gives that nice, comfort of I can just leave my trade to hit full TP. You don't have to worry about anything happen. You don't even need to worry about hitting. You could put your stop loss at break even as well. But it gives that rest assured feeling of you've already made 50%. Just let it fly to TP. Confidence, chilling. Okay, cool. Price tapped in to this imbalance here, which I used as my take profit. As you can see, price literally pushed all the way up here, and you could have even entered at London. Where's London? London is 2 o'clock. You could have entered off London. Could you have actually? Let me check. I'm not trying to talk nonsense. Yeah, you could have entered off here, but I don't know. You could have entered a continuation, perhaps. But yeah, this is literally the trade. I targeted this area of liquidity. As you can see, price literally went up here. But, hey man, that would have been a 128. But it is what it is. I just targeted here, made 7K. Risked 1% on 100K. If you go to the 1 hour, also for liquidity, for take profit, I feel like I'm talking hella slow. Apologies if I am, but on the 1 hour, there's this FVG imbalance, whatever you want to call it here. It's right there, okay? I think it's on the 2 hour, it's more clean, yeah. On the 2 hour, it's more clean. It's literally there, I literally targeted that area of imbalance. Also, I always use fib, bro, because fib is amazing. Look, high to low, it's literally 50%. So I could have actually put my TP at 50% there, and that would have made some extra money. I think I moved this stuff anyways. But yeah, that's literally the trade, guys. Honestly, trading is as simple as that. This is my first actual breakdown. I don't know how it went. I feel like I was talking a bit slow, but it is what it is. If you guys enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe. I'm gonna be doing a lot more of this. Shit, why is my cam so big? I'm gonna be doing a lot more of these breakdowns because I've got a lot of trades. Like if you look at EU, which I trade the most. Let me just zoom out. Hold on. Look at this. I've got hella trades that I've taken, which I might break down. Some are wins, some are losses. I'm gonna be fully transparent as well. And yeah, honestly, this might be a new phase in the channel. We're just gonna see how it goes. We're gonna see how the channel grows, and I'm just gonna keep uploading and bringing out these videos. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Like, subscribe, comment down below your thoughts, any improvements I should be doing on these vids, and yeah.